on him.
No, I want to turn it. Man, I'm telling you, it's something in the power band that ain't right with it. I'm telling you, there's something wrong with this thing, man. I put 6 different spark plugs in them and all of them come out failed. There's something wrong in that power band. When I hit it on hard, it does a...
There ain't nothing wrong with the damn motorcycle. You ain't riding it right. Get on there and just get the clutch. That's what the clutch for. But and then pop that there, boom! Thing take off and the spark plug be fine. Tell you.
Hey, let me help you start it. No, you should bump start it.
The kicker broke. On me.
I tell you what, you gotta be on it, and you can't listen to it unless you jump it in the air nice and big.
Jump it! That jump beat run pretty good now.